Conversation 1. First, look at your questions. Now listen carefully and answer the questions.
Hi, John. Have you decided which course you're going to take this semester?
Hey, Alice. Yes, I'm thinking of taking English literature. What about you?
That sounds interesting. I'm going to take Introduction to Psychology. I've always wanted to learn more about how the mind works.
That's great. I heard that the professor is really good. Do you know when your classes start?
Yes, they start next Monday at 9 a.m. When do yours start?
Mine start on Tuesday at 10 a.m. We should grab lunch together after class sometime.
Definitely. Let's plan for that.
Conversation 2. First, look at your questions. Now listen carefully and answer the questions.
Hi, Mark. How was your first day at the new job?
Hey, Emma. It was good, but a bit overwhelming. There's so much to learn.
I bet. What kind of work are you doing?
I'm working as a customer service representative. Today, I mostly learned about the company's products and how to help customers with their questions.
That's important work. Did you meet any of your new coworkers?
Yes, everyone was really friendly. They showed me around the office and explained what I'll be doing.
That's nice. I'm sure you'll do great once you get the hang of it.
Thanks, Emma. I hope so. I'm looking forward to learning more.
Conversation 3. First, look at your questions. Now listen carefully and answer the questions.
Welcome everyone to the City History Museum. My name is Sarah and I'll be your guide today.
Hi, Sarah. What will we see on the tour?
We'll start with the Ancient History exhibit, where you can see artifacts from the city's early days. Then, we'll move on to the Modern History section, which includes some really interesting photographs and documents.
That sounds exciting. How long will the tour last?
The tour will last about 1 hour. After that, you're free to explore the museum on your own.
Great! I'm especially interested in the Ancient History section. Can we take photos?
Yes, you can take photos, but please don't use a flash. Now, let's get started.